So today I wanted to show you some of the new features we've developed for the TactileAudio project. There's quite a significant change. You'll see that I have this circuit board. In our previous iteration, our previous incarnation, we used these breadboards, which were great. It was fast to get it done, but it's turned out that it's quite a bit of work to get these put together reliably, and they're prone to mistakes. And recently, we've added the capability to do vibration, which made the project much more complicated to solder together. And so I decided to go ahead and create a circuit board for the project. And we actually have two of these. I'll show them both to you. You'll notice that these both look a lot alike. The colors these are manufactured in China, although with the tariffs and stuff, we also have an American manufacturer. This one is for audio only projects, the purple one. You'll notice it's smaller, but it is identical to this one on the left-hand side. This one is for vibration projects, and it has the additional circuitry on this side that powers the vibrators. And this is what it looks like in the completed form. I'll show you that more in a minute. And just to illustrate the new features, I've got two channels set up here. The fork is channel 2 and the spoon is channel 1. And it works, the fork, the audio only, is programmed to only do audio. And it works as pretty much like you've seen before. So if I touch that, it starts the channel running. If I stop, it stops playing. And there's all sorts of options that you've seen before, the fade in, fade out, that sort of thing. Channel 2, this is what's new. This is our vibrator. This is called a linear vibrator, but you can also use these little round motor vibrators. They work just as well. The thing is configurable so that it knows which one is hooked up to it. And if I touch the spoon, it plays a sound and the vibrator will vibrate. So this is a closer look at the thing. You'll see that it has all the wiring is inside these circuit boards. You might be able to see it like this. You can see all those wires in there. And when you've soldered it all together, the board looks something like this. And that's our new system. It's much easier to assemble than the old one and much more reliable to get it working, much easier to get it working correctly. Let's create an Arduino sketch for this. First of all, we only have two channels hooked up, so we're going to disable channel 3 and channel 4. And I'm not going to change much here. We're using touch mode, our start and stop threshold. On channel 1 we have both audio and haptics, so I'm going to go down here and enable haptics, and this happens to have a linear vibrator attached to it, and I'll use a continuous on-off pulsing vibration, which is this one right here. And then for channel 2, I select channel 2, and I'm not going to do anything here, just leave all the defaults. Haptics are not enabled. And we're ready to go. Create the sketch, click in that box, select all the text in there, copy it, and we go to our Arduino app, select all the text there, delete it, and paste the new sketch in there. And this is the sketch that we just created with that configurator. We click on the compile button, it compiles it, sends it to the Teensy device, and we're ready to go.